IRL to URL. This is Poshfest's swag box for this year. Welcome to my channel. My name is Wendy. For all who don't know me, I am a part-time reseller on platforms such as Mercari, eBay, and mainly Poshmark. I am also a full-time postal worker. I do this on the side because I love to thrift and resell. So how many of you have yet to go to Poshfest? How many of you, this will be your first year? This year Poshmark is changing it up a bit and they are doing their Poshfest online. It is IRL in real life to URL. So there will be 2 days. I believe it's October 2nd and October 3rd. I don't think you can register or sign up anymore, but I did actually get the chance to snag a swag box for $25. Honestly, I don't think that I will be able to attend most of the breakout sessions that they do because I have to work during the day. So if I catch something later in the day or during my lunchtime, I'm pretty happy, but I pretty much just paid the $25 to get this cool little swag box. I hear that the swag bags have been awesome in the past, and I just wanted to see what they were gonna send out this year. I've kind of seen some sneak peeks of other people's posts, but I thought I'd do a video for anybody who hasn't seen it yet. I haven't opened it. I just cut the tape. So let's peek in and see what we have. First off, it says, "Hey Posh Boss." Little note, "Get ready for Poshfest with this exclusive swag box. We're so excited for all the upcoming networking, community building, and Posh love at our first ever virtual conference. See you in October, Team Posh." So cute. I have several reseller friends who will be speaking at Poshfest, so that's really exciting. And you had the option to choose what size shirt that you do wear. All the larger shirts, they kind of got snagged up first. So I got a medium and I think it'll fit my daughter. It's really cute. It says Poshfest from IRL to URL. Very cute. Knowing her, she'll probably tie-dye it. Let's see what else. Oh, some cute little stickers. Probably if you have like a planner, which I do not. I tried to do that once. I bought this really fancy planner and I did nothing with it. So I tried to save my money. And these cute little poly mailers. They're silver and pink. They are from You Pack and Ship. Very cute. Let's see what else. There are some cards. Poshmark. Oh, I hear these Hulkin bags are amazing. I believe it's Nicole State. She's been posting about them, how she has a couple and they hold a lot. They're very sturdy, they last forever, and they're even on wheels. So I might have to grab me some. I think there's a little code on here for a 20% discount. Let's see, what is this? Photography backdrops to level up your listing photos. I don't know. Replica surfaces. Oh, that's what that is. Let's see. Oh, also some little thank you cards. Thank you for your purchase, showing off your Posh style. There's a couple of different ones. These are very, very, very cute, and they go with the Posh theme. Thank you. Spread the Posh love. Just a simple thank you. I like the colors. Very fun and bright. And just a plain thank you as well. Let's see what else I got. Some cute little pins. There is a exclusive Poshfest promo from Dynamo. Anybody has Dynamo printers? I do not. I do the old-fashioned print with my printer. I get unlimited ink through HP ink service. I think I pay $10.99 a month. Never run out of ink. They mail it directly to your house. So that's good. So I just let my daughter print whatever she wants from there. She prints her pictures and hangs them up on her wall. But yeah, but I did think about getting a Rolo, because I've seen people who have the Rolos and they print out all of their thank you labels and all that. So I thought about doing that. And then this cute little Poshmark bag, a little tote bag. Very cute. And there's just one more thing in here. And it is a mug. It's a Poshmark mug. Oh my gosh, so cute. And I have to add it to my cabinet. So I just thought I'd give you a quick sneak peek at the Posh box, the swag box, and just in case nobody else has gotten there. So you have something to look forward to. I also wanted to say happy fall, y'all. Okay, because this week marks the very first week of our autumn fall season. So for everybody who loves the pumpkin spice, it's time to break it out. Also, break out your sweaters, because I know I have. It's time to fall in love with reselling.